Hi guys, Yosh. Okay, today my name is Husaini. Okay, today this episode we will discuss about the RC car system. RC stand the remote control car system. So otherwise we will be me. I will discuss about the introduction about the RC car system. Car control system is about the self power at the model car that can be controlled from the distance using the transmitter. Otherwise you can see the boys hold the control using the transmitter, which means from the control send the frequency to the car so the car can move. So various source can be used to move the car. The example is battery. The type of battery is rechargeable, nickel chromium, nickel metal hydride and lithium polymer cell. Okay, now we discuss about the transmission for system with the gear. So the mechanical advantage is rotating gear. So if it's straight away, it's made speed less, more speed but less torque. If you go the back, less speed but more torque. So now we discuss about the car controller. The car controller is about the dynamic stall force car into the function at the condition below their mechanical ability. Example, the maneuver, the loading, to the limitation of the speed. So we can see when the control RC car move, they have the multiple resistance, resistance. Like I said before this, maneuver, loading and hitting tip stop. That's all. Now you will be made my mate is hazahir. We discuss about time response. Thank you.
Hi, I'm hazahir. Now I will show you in this segment how to do the step response. In step response, we will obtain settling time, rush time, peak time and percentage overshoot. So enjoy the video.
Josh, it's quite easy to do the time response with the hazahir. Okay, now we see how the process to do the root locus with the harness bohari.
Okay guys, harness bohari is missing. It's okay. By the way, my name is faez bin bohari. I will explain about the root locus to calculate the root locus in the project. Okay, firstly, we have to from the root locus, from the transfer function, we have to find the closed loop transfer function and compare it with the characteristic equation. Then we use the open loop transfer function to obtain the number of zero and number of poles of the system. By obtaining the number of zero and poles of the system, we will get the number of asymptote. So from the number of asymptote, we can calculate the angle of the asymptote and the asymptote cut at the real axis. Then finally, we will calculate the break-even point and we can plot the graph. I will show you after this.
Yosh guy, now we after discuss about the tennis point with the hazahir and the root locus with Hanif Burhan, now we will meet the Husaini to discuss about the BODE diagram.
Hi, I'm Husaini. I will explain how to sketch BODE diagram. BODE diagram consists two types of graph, magnetic graph and phase graph. In both graph we need to define the gain margin and phase margin. And overall I will show you in the video.
Created using Powtoon.